Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna. Good morning and happy Sunday to all of you. Hope you guys can see me well. Sorry. Need to. I'm waiting. Hello, Sanana. Good morning. How's the Sunday going on? Good morning, Sachin. Good morning, guys. Hello, Mesh. When you look towards sun and walk, the shadow follows. And when you would look towards you and within, the world will follow. Yes, totally yes. Hello, Ritu. Good morning. You know how much I miss my Sunday. Everybody of you seeing early morning. Hey, Uma. Good morning. Good to see you here, darling. Full of Lego building. Hey Simran, good morning. 80 आज का question तो super है बिल्कुल. I know it is superb. I've been playing since yesterday, and this showed up in the morning that it requires to go around. I'm like, all right, let's make it go to everyone. So hope you have been started looking within yourself. So it's like I was listening it to somewhere. Actually, it didn't just come up. I was listening somewhere and I heard this, and it was such an eye opener for me. And it really kind of boosted me up again. Hello, Arpita. Good morning, Aradhna ji. Thank you for all the honor. Thank you, Uma. Thank you so much. What else is... So it's like, and that was such a aha moment when I actually was listening to the sun part of it, that when you actually start, if you start looking towards the sun, actually the shadow goes behind. Otherwise, if we are backing it, and how the shadow actually comes in front of you. So what if you don't? Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you for receiving it, and you guys have been guiding me in your own way. Thank you so much for that space, guys. To each one of you, happy Guru Purnima. You all are my gurus. And what else is also possible? Happy Guru Purnima, Guru Ma. Thank you. I'll receive it today. Thank you. Hello, Nischal. Hope it's Nischal only. Cool. Happy Guru Purnima. Thanks, Umesh. Thank you for acknowledging. Hello, Sudipta. Awesome. Good to have you all here. Thank you. So, and I'm amazing, how now when you're saying it, I didn't realize it's Guru Purnima. And actually, you are your own guru. And how? Thank you so much, Nishchal. So, hello, Guru. So, it's actually looking within you. You are your master and you are your own guru. That is when it is so important, because, wow, this is so amazing. I just realized I have this aha moment in this 10 seconds for me now. That, wow, it's such a beautiful question that has come up, the whole acknowledgement of today, which has come up on the same day, because you know what actually started, where I started actually working towards myself was through Access. I mean, I'm sure somebody go through Buddhism, somebody goes through, other therapies and stuff and modalities. For me, what actually attracted me in Access was this whole thing of looking self within, and it's being your own master and your own guru. When you are willing to be your own guru and follow your own knowing, that's when you're master and a guru. And a true guru or a true leader never looks back to see who's following them. They just pave their own path. And this is so beautiful today, that if you start looking within you, and when you honor you, when you respect you, the world follows suit. But if you keep running behind people and asking for validation, asking for their acknowledgements, you keep running, you become a beggar, and nobody comes. And when how much you give, when you keep asking, you don't like to give. But when certain things, when somebody doesn't ask, you just want to go and give it to them. It's exactly the same thing. So why would you actually get yourself under anybody ever? And what is it that you do not have that you're not acknowledging? What if you have everything within you? And it is not what if, it is true that you have everything in you. Yeah, you must receive, because we are full of gratitude for you, Uma. Thank you, Uma. I so receive you, darling. Thank you. I totally acknowledge your gratefulness. Sachin, yes, I checked your question and it's congruent with today's occasion. Yes. Hey, Prakhar, good morning. Hey, Janvi. Ritu, symphony of possibilities. Every one of us is a symphony of creation. Totally. Yes, Ritu. And so, hey Samir, good morning. Good to see you. So it's like, seriously, like guys, it's so amazing. I'm so right now in this my whole amazing aha moment. Like how these questions show up in this morning, and I had no idea to this Guru Purnima. Or I don't have all the. I don't believe into anything. I just live. I just don't believe into any gods or gurus or stuff. I'm not an atheist, but I just love life. I just acknowledge life, and things come to me, and so information comes. I don't watch television. I don't read newspapers. I'm so cut off with the world. I really do not know. And my friends always say that, this girl like sounds like such a illiterate woman who doesn't fucking know anything on the planet. But the beauty is the whole information flows to me. And when you are actually towards within yourself and have gratitude within yourself, everything flows to you. Like, I'm so grateful for these moments. Like right now I'm actually melting. I'm really short of words of how the universe has my back and how everything just starts flowing towards when you are in total congruence with everything. Be your own guru. This is a mind boggling. Thank you so much. Yes, Arpita, be your own guru. See that I thought everybody has that, right? Like I always had that. Why do I have to follow anybody? Like I have grown up with Guru Nanak Ji, the Sikhism guru of Sikhism. But I, as a friend, as I've already told also earlier in my earlier calls, that he's always been a friend. I don't have no idea about his life. I have nothing, but I just get a sense of energy from him. That is like I like to have that. What you have, it's the ease in the eyes. It's the ease in the persona, and the joy, of being on the planet and being grateful to everything being pure. Why would you have to make anybody greater than you? Everybody is born with 50-50, and everybody is there, and everybody is supposed to. And it's so funny like how it comes to me that if I'm not studied as an IITian, or I'm not like a very high tech um, scientist or something, and I have no information, that doesn't mean I'm dumb. I am, and if I can hire them and I create them in my life, they are there to give me information already. So that does not make them more than me or me less than them. So it's just that they're passing me information. They're different and they have different knowing than I have. So nobody on this planet is dumb, not intelligent, unintelligent, or not guru or guru. We just make ourselves smaller to, because we have bought that reality that we are less than anybody else. So guys, would you like to give up that today? What if you're not less than anybody else? What you have, if you're so sure about yourself, nobody can doubt it. Unless you're not sure about yourself, everybody's gonna doubt you. If you're not gonna receive you, nobody's gonna be receiving you. If you're not gonna be your guru, you cannot be anybody else's guru. So it's not about outside, it's always inward. So that's today's whole journey. Look towards inside yourself. Everything that people show around you, if people are rude around you, if people are nasty, or if they're stubborn around you, where in your life are you being that to yourself? What are they gifting you that you're unwilling to receive? So start looking within, look within. And it's so funny. I used to ask my dad, because my dad always believed into all this, and he's like, सब अंदर है, सब अंदर है. And I'm like, कहाँ अंदर है, किधर अंदर ढूंढना है? And it was like, I really used to look like with literally my eyes open. I said, really, Dad? How does that thing happen? But I get it now, because it's like, and I used to think, will something drop like a cherry from above, or something will happen around you? And my mom used to do all the needful, and I always thought, he's just saying that magic doesn't happen, because my mom is doing everything that is required. But he was amazing. No, he was the magician who created my mom to do everything. So what magician are you that you're not acknowledging? Hi, Payal. Good morning, darling. Every word is expansive. Love it. Thank you. Thank you, Mesh. Thank you for receiving it so well. So it is that. So what if you are actually the magician of your life, and what if people are working? Maybe they love that job. My mom loved what she did. My dad loved what he did, and he always said that हो जाएगा. And I'm like, बैठे बैठे हो जाएगा. But it's like that. Now I'm actually experiencing that बैठे बैठे सब हो जाता है. But the choice is, you have to be self-empowering to yourself. You have to trust हो जाएगा. We are each one awesome. We should acknowledge ourselves. Should is a doubt, Samir. Just be the energy of happy with loved ones. Rest all follows with ease and joy and glory. Yes. So, guys, another thing here. Yeah, thank you, Samir, for that. So it's like there are no shoulds, there are no musts, there are no becauses. Just because you can. Just because you can. What if there are no shoulds from today? There are no must. It's just a choice. And if you change everything to a choice, life might change very differently for you guys. Everything in flow. Anything, and anything is possible on this planet. I really take challenges at very high end, which, in our linear reality, we have already concluded कि ये तो नहीं हो सकता. ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So it was like, it's like a challenge. Like, I always are like, how do I meet Shah Rukh? How can I be sitting with Shah Rukh? How can I be living in the house where Shah Rukh lives? But it was funny, guys. I did create that. So I like shared, like, we kind of rented the house with Shah Rukh, met Shah Rukh so many times. And the day I was in that area, I knew, like, that house belongs to Shah Rukh. And not that anybody told me, but I knew it energetically. So anything is possible on the planet if you choose to. But are you willing to choose? Are you trusting that it's possible? Or you are behind your head saying to yourself, it's not possible? Trust me, guys, if you start looking within yourself, looking within towards you, and be in gratitude of whatever your creation is, good, bad, ugly, and total allowance of yourself, and just sit, chill, relax like a Sunday today, and receive yourself and receive every gift you truly desire. How it will show up, what will show up, that is something that is not kind of defined. So receive everything with no point of view. So that's my take for today. If any questions, I'm more happy to take it. आप खुद राज होके आपको शाहरुख से मिलना है. या मैं सिमरन बन जाती हूँ, कभी राज बन जाती हूँ. सिमरन जो जब बना लो. 10-second choice. Trust, it's possible. All should be created. Better the time implement. Better line time implement. So time is no Samir, time is, don't take time as a conclusion, and don't take time as a limitation. Time, universe has its own time, its own creation. Like, even if you pick up an apple going to the market, or picking up an apple, if your body wants to eat an apple, you will go pick it up and eat. So it'll take that specific time. Okay, you got it. So all right, I thought there was a question mark, so I answered. So it's okay, you got it, it's fine. So guys, don't make time restriction or a limitation, but that maybe works for others, for me. So that's when it got up here. So don't make time as your limitation, stress. Abhi chahiye, jaane do. It's like, I love that dialogue, if somebody belongs to you, well and good, they'll say, otherwise let them go. And if they don't come, anyways, they were not meant for you. But these days, it's a new one. If they come back, anyways, they didn't find anybody. They were not worth it. So don't have it. Let them go. What else is possible in life? And every moment is a new life. Every second is a new life. It's not that you live 80 million's life other than this. You're living every moment. So how many lives are you already living? So जाने दो, ऐश करो. So it's like, जो गया वो उसकी बुरी किस्मत, not yours. You just be proud of you. You just be you. You just be joyful. And उसका घाटा. And there's a song, right? उसका घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता, प्यार जरा सा ज़्यादा हो जाता. So in everything, what if you follow that energy? It's never your loss. It's always a gift. No judgments, no limitations, no attachments. Love each moment. Yes, Samir. Yes, this moment. Awesome. Hi, Arpita. That is so profound. Awesome. Oh, I have very funny things to give. Like, I give him Bollywood songs. I'll give you my examples. But that is how I love talking, because that is how I understand. I'm like a new born teacher who's like a ABCD. I am not a profound one who can have long, big examples. I give it from my end, because that is how simply I understand. I'm like a baby. I might be old, but I'm like a baby. I understand very tiny steps. I really don't understand complicated. So this is how I gift. Hope you guys get it. I'm literally a joker. So उसने तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. Yeah, exactly. I love this song. It's like so much of fun. Anything goes around my life, I put it on the song. Like तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. And it's so much fun. It just chips the energy, and I'm grateful to whoever created this song. And so I always recommend that song for any condition in life. It works. It just works. It's magical. So see how things show up in your life. You really don't know, right? So just enjoy them. Have fun with everything. Enjoy and everything that comes in your life. Being grateful to it and ask what fun can it add to your life. Yeah, it always the opposite pursues loss. Exactly. Yes, Samir, it's magical. Sudipta, thank you. All right. Any other questions, guys? And today is a very, very sexy weather in Delhi, and it's been raining and it's beautiful. OMG. So I'm gonna have a sexy Sunday. Hope you guys have a sexy Sunday, fun Sunday, and joyful Sunday. Have loads and loads of fun, chill out, relax, look within, say hi to yourself, make yourself your girlfriend, boyfriend, and enjoy and take yourself for the date and have a beautiful Sunday. Thank you. Super Sunday. In Mumbai too, Payal. Awesome. Hey, how does it get any better? Mumbai is awesome. Rains to the highest level. Wow. Keep sending, keep sending. We're receiving it in Delhi here. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Umesh. Thanks. Bye, guys. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Make yourself your girlfriend. Yes, it's a good idea, Samir. Trust me, it is a very good idea. I do that. I do all the time. I'm my boyfriend. I'm my girlfriend. I just love myself. Hey, Kavita, how are you? Good to see you. So have a super, super Sunday making yourself your girlfriend or a boyfriend. Ciao. Bye.